Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode with the Shed King. Yes, I'm going to do a little voiceover to begin with. So we've taken the car out for general practice. We've ironed out all the little gremlins and the little bugs that kept making it shut on and off and doing weird things. So I just wanted to say a massive thank you to Andrew for helping me get to this point. Me and him both have sort of been egging each other on this whole journey of this car. It's kind of relentless, you know. He sort of pushed me and I push him, and it's the weirdest, craziest little relationship thing we have going for each other. It's weird. Anyway, I decided that we're going to take the car out and he's going to take it for a spin. So I chucked him in first up. You're going to see that footage in a minute. But I just wanted to say what an absolute, a journey. The last time I actually drove at a general practice day was August 2019. So that was over 2 years ago, or under 2 years ago. And the car was making, similar horsepower with a H-pattern gearbox. And we, without trying, with even just babying it, we did it at 10 seconds faster lap than what we did last time. It just shows you how much, in 10 seconds you think, oh, that's not that much, but when you're talking 10 seconds of lap time, that is huge, without even trying. So without further ado, guys, we're going to be going into the next section here where we actually get to see Andrew go out on track and have some fun with his car. I do have a little recording of him at the end here of him trying to explain the actual, what it's like to drive the car. It's so hard to put it into words because the brakes are unreal. The suspension is the rear end we're working on. We actually broke it. Broke the rear end in this video. We need a bit of sway bar, but it actually turns in really, really well, and out of the apex. So when you come out of the corner, you can feel the car like doing jittering moves. You'll see in this video. guys, so let's have a good look at this and see what's going on. I have fixed it now. It is Sunday afternoon, the day after. So yeah, I took Saturday off and raced the car. Andrew went out for a lap, had a bit of fun. Came around turn 6 there at the end, and the arse end collapsed. And the reason for that is, I'll show you. Let's have a look. So you would have seen the mount that was here. So there was a mount that was off the front here, basically. Anyway, this is 3mm. I probably could have done with a gusset across the front edge here. It would have probably stopped that issue. And there was another issue. My lower control arm of my forelink was facing downhill. So we've changed that now, and we've made it so it's actually positive, not negative. So anyway, guys, just wanted to say thank you for checking in, making sure I'm all good. The car's basically, I fixed it now. I just need to get some more bushes and a few more bits and pieces, and take it for another wheel alignment, and it's fine. Just a couple of hours work, and it was fixed. It's nothing. I'm gonna leave you with a piece here of Andrew trying to explain what it's like trying to drive my car. Alright, I'm really excited about this. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll catch up with you all real soon.
So it's Sunday after the big event out at Queensland Raceway, taking the Shed King's beast for a general practice. Things didn't go 100% to plan, but I did get a steer, and Shed King asked me to try and explain it. I said it already, it's a beast. That sequential is absolutely insane. After I drove it, Shed King pointed out that it's essentially a V8 supercar. It has the same horsepower and the same sort of gearbox. Like, the speed would be on par, I would guess, but in the seat, it is just insane. Just keep picking gears. He'll probably put some footage in. I was at maybe a quarter of what that car can do. Only got a couple of laps in the seat, but give me a day in that car and it would be by far the quickest circuit car that I've ever driven. A few things we need to sort out in the handling, but that's what these days are for. That's why we're going out there. That's why we're doing this. Got to get it all sorted for World Time Attack. But yeah, it's something else. The power delivery of that little G30, it's just on. No waiting for it to come on. Just hit that throttle and the power is there.